Hey, what's up, bro? It's Shadow here, and we're back at it again, trying to make a sword out of this piece of wood. Let's go. Now, the first thing I did here was to measure and draw lines on the sword so I'll know where to stop cutting. As if you can see, I just finished putting lines on it so I know where to cut so it wouldn't look ugly. Now from here, I started sawing the tip of the sword. As you can see here, I sawed a few chunks of it. At the tip also, it's almost done. We're getting there. But that's it for today. I have to do my assignment now.